Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world right now watching this. I am preparing to do an acrylic pour this time, and I'm going to use some of this linseed oil. This is for oil paints, but it is an oil. And I haven't used it before, so this is definitely a test. So I've already mixed my colours, and I'm only going to use a few drops. So I've got a little syringe where I pulled the oil out of the little bottle. So just put that there. I'm using Global Fine Art paints. These are acrylic impasto paints. So I've mixed them up with about 2 parts, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and just a few drops of water to adjust the consistency. And I've got cool red, the cool blue, the metallic copper, and yellow ochre, and what's the other? And a white. Titanium white. So let's see, I'm going to put a couple of drops of this oil in here. Oh, 1 drop went in, 2 drops, okay, 2 drops, maybe 1 more, or 1 more drop in there in the white. And I might put a couple of drops in my metallic as well. See what it does. Might not do anything, who knows. And I put some in the yellow, maybe, alright, 2 drops, and that's it. I've got none left in the syringe. So to do a dirty pour, I reckon. And I've just put some of this acrylic medium. It's an all-purpose sealer. I haven't done that before, and it's still wet, so that's another test as well. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to grab another cup. So let's start with the white. I'll just get rid of these sticks. Don't need them at the moment. Do a dirty pour. Let's see what happens. Start with the white. A little bit in there. Oops, and some on the canvas. That was totally planned. Some of this yellow ochre. Bit of the blue. Straight in the middle. I don't really worry too much about cells, and that's not what I'm looking for, but this one is just a little experiment for the people in my Facebook group who like cells and like to get them with the help of something. So that's why I'm doing this. Otherwise I don't use any oils in my paints. Some more blue, I think, and I'm going to put the blue on the side because I like to keep that white there. So I'm going to put the blue over this red and hopefully get a really nice purple. I think that's enough colour. So that's what it looks like. And to do a flippy, I'm just going to get out of the screen at the moment just for a second. There we go. Flip. Let's see, get all that paint down there. Oh wow, oh yeah, that's definitely working. Look at that. But the test will be, of course, when it dries. Oh, quite pretty. I don't know if you can see these. That's just that beautiful copper, and it's translucent. So, look at that. Look at that. Gonna do a little bit of tilting. Actually, this blue is a bit sad and lonely here, so I'm just gonna pour a little puddle in there. And that's gonna stretch out. Might put a little bit of this bronze actually in there. Okay, let's go. Let's be bold and do it. I do like when the paint goes over the sides. Okay. I'm not happy with that there, so I'm gonna do another little quick dirty pour there, which you can do, and just fix that bit up. And some of this metallic, which I love. There we go. It's a wee bit crazy. Just a wee bit. So there. How cool is that? I'm going to torch it a little bit. I've got a big mama torch, so I apologise about the noise. Yeah. Definitely happening with the torch. Definitely happening with the torch. So you can still play with it a bit. I can see some really nice cells, like oh, where is it now? Oh, there, there. See, like that one there. Those ones, they're all really pretty cells. But then you see these ones which are a bit deformed, and that's not what you want. It's nice cells there, all around here, beautiful, nice cells. Then you have those deformed ones, and that's because I've tilted too fast, and maybe some paints are reacting to each other and to the oil. I like to play with my paintings. I'm constantly looking and seeing what I like and what I like to keep, and if I don't like it, I just let it all run down like this. And that's quite pretty. See, I prefer that than having, you know, lots of millions of cells. So what I'll do is I'm going to do a little swipey, just to see how that goes. Like I said, it's an experiment, just a play. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this through there. And what? Oh, got a little paper here. I can use this paper just to swipe over, lean it on there and just pull. So there you have it. So you got to swipe, a swipe, and a dirty flip, and a dirty pour. Right there, and then you have a swipe across there. So there you go. Linseed oil does work. I will wait until tomorrow for it to. So this is the one, linseed oil. Don't worry about the brand, you can use any brand. And give it a go if you want cells the easy way. Give it a try, and yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps some people. Bye now.